This one has all sorts of issues. For one, I don't even know if it really even fits in that gap, the hole that it's supposed to go in, because the hinges were so messed up I couldn't actually mount it. So I kind of just held it up to it and guessed that it fit right when I welded this piece in. So the opening might not even work. Still have to deal with these hinges, which I completely hacked up and never fixed. It's got all kinds of damage to it. Or I'm guessing whatever mechanism was in here to hold the door from closing just pushed out and almost punctured a hole through here. This is all rotten. It's got a big old dent in it. It's a pretty bad dent too. Oof. This is just locked up, frozen, just like the other one. There's no glass. But yeah, it's got a lot of issues. I'll do the same as I did last time and just start with taking the glass out. Take the hardware off and then start working on those hinges, I guess. Oh, shoot. Broke the window. Look at that. Crack goes all the way down the middle and then all the way up to the side. Well, it's got this hinge finally off. Take this off It looks like it's held on just by these two little welds right here. So I'm going to drill these out, take this out. But that crack should not be there. So I'm going to have to go all the way from here to about right here. Let's handle out. It's not easy. But this trigger seems to be in one piece. So I'm going to take these pins out, remove it, and see if I can see what it looks like when it's intact, because the other one was broken. All this goes together, and we'll do a little video of it so I don't forget. This spring's toast too. What kind of spring is that? We have lead built up in here. And is that a washer? It looks like a washer that's stuck to the side of this with lead. I don't know what in the world they were doing. So they got that. And they got this piece wedged in. This should just be straight up and down right in the middle. Instead it's at an angle and it's got this wedge in here. And then, I don't know what the world they were doing. This door was all goofed up. So I'll actually be able to adjust my door hinge. Finally. Alright, what do we got?
Is it my books?
Paper.
I knew it! What?
Oh.
I knew it was a bunch of tops for the top.
Check it out. Fuzzy window trim.
Fuzzy.
Ooh, it's so soft.
Yeah.
It goes on the doors. Put this back so you don't lose it. What else do we got here? Screws to hold the trim on.
Yeah.
New buttons
Ooh.
for opening the door.
And then instructions.
And a mechanical brake switch.
And this.
So the brake lights light up.
And this. Paper.
Yeah, this just tells us what we got. Pretty cool.
Wait, let me keep the box. I want to keep the box.
You want the box?
Yeah. Yeah, we need the box.
What are you going to do with the box?
I'm gonna make stuff
Oh,
out of I it. put it in bed. No, I'm gonna make stuff out of it.
Okay. I'll try not to lose it. Alright, you can push the button.
Tumbleweed garage.